Hey guys, Temu Coins can save you real money, but most shoppers don't use them smartly. Here's a step-by-step guide to using Temu Coins for biggest discounts in 2025. Step 1 is earning the Temu Coins daily. So you can earn Temu Coins by logging in daily, completing missions, playing app games like Fishland, and participating in seasonal events. The more consistently you engage, the faster you'll collect coins. Missed days slow your progress. Now, step 2 is finding the coin redemption zone. In the app, go to the coin center or coin redemption page, and this is where you can exchange your Temu coins for discounts, coupons, or sometimes even free items. So always check here before making a purchase. Step 3 is using coins to unlock high value coupons. So instead of spending coins on small discounts, save up to unlock bigger coupons. For example, using coins to get a $5 or $10 off coupon usually gives you more value than redeeming coins for minor product discounts. Now, step 4 is stacking coins with promo codes and flash sales. So the real savings come when you combine coin discounts with working promo codes like ACP 856709 and flash sale prices. Stacking these together can cut your total cost by 30 to 70% if timed right. Step 5 is don't let coins expire. So Temu coins can expire if unused for a set period, usually 30 to 90 days depending on your activity level. So always check the expiry date and plan to redeem them before they vanish. Now, final verdict, Temu coins are a powerful discount tool if you use them strategically. Save them for big coupons, stack with promo codes, and watch for flash sales. Stay active in the app and you will maximize your savings every time. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.